None? Meron?
Si
There is,
Councilor
Madam Chair.
Robel Can.
Go ahead, Khan, you're recognized.
For our first speaker, Madam Chair, we have Honorable Robel Can, relative to the local transport service issue, Sealand Taxical. Please recognize Honorable Robel Can.
Can you limit your speech to 5 minutes?
May I request Honorable
Okay.
Bertolino again, ma'am?
Madam Chair, can I proceed? Madam Chair, if there's something big, special, or extraordinary thing, accomplishment or event, most often than not, we ask, who's behind that? National or international figure?
Excuse me, may I relinquish the chair again to Kagawad Kasabuena for personal reasons?
This means that we usually relate or attribute big matters to those in the national or international arena. This is perhaps because we do not believe in the talents or abilities of those who are in our own locality. Or perhaps because we underestimate the capacities of local guys. Or maybe it is due to the fact that we have a very high regard for national or international personalities. Or we are too overwhelmed with the enormous things that they can do. Madam Chair, take the case of our invitee this morning as an exception, because he is not a national or international figure. Rather, he is a local guy, a resident of General Santos City. But he is behind something which is spectacular. A Transpo mobile app known as the Sealand Taxical app, born right in the very soil of General Santos City. Ergo, it is with great pride and honor that I introduce to you our invitee for our question and answer hour, one of our very own, the owner of City Art Enterprises, Mr. Peter L. Caro. This is another substantiation of our being home of the champions. Madam Chair, in order for our invitee to talk more about the Sealand Taxical Act, I now move for the suspension of the House rules.
Second. House will suspended.
Please recognize, Madam Chair, Sir Peter Caro.
Sir Peter Cow,
L.
you
Caro.
recognize. Cow.
Thank you, Attorney Khan, for that very nice introduction. And I'm so much thankful for giving me this opportunity for your precious time to give us a chance to present our new innovative solution for our ongoing modernization project for General Santos City, the Sealand Taxical. Sealand Taxical is an apps like Grab and Uber. We make that solution because of the complaint also of many of the passenger na yung mga taxi natin at saka mga tricycle mangontrata. So in that apps, we can simply download the apps, Taxical, and then you can book your taxi or tricycle immediately. And then makita na po yung fare kung magkano po as the sanggunian allow kung how much is the fare na doon po kami magbase. So in this presentation, we accept comment, we accept suggestion, like and share. So ito po yung namin. So we make it convenient technology. Sealand apps was created because of the inconvenience of our riding public. Next please. So ito po siya, yung mga benefits po yung Sealand Taxical Rider, yung convenient po na hindi na tayo mag-abang sa tabi ng daan. You just use your mobile phone and then the taxi or the tricycle will go and then picking you up. Next please. Yun, so wala pong effort na masyado na gagawin. And then, it is very safe because Silang Taxi Call will get all the information sa mga rider, including yung mga driver, naka-registered po sa amin para sa safe travel ng ating mga commuter po. Next please. So very easy siya. So ito po yung apps. You can download po sa Play Store. Next please. And then ito po yung mga steps kung paano po tayo mag-download. You just open your Play Store and then simply just download. Mayroon po siya mga step po na kailangan natin sundin. Very simple po. Next please. Ito po. Ito po yung sinasabi ko na safety siya kasi yung driver po, we see to it na maano po namin sila yung mga kung may criminal record or any records that they have, so we get all their information so that our riding public will be safe and sound to their destination. Next please. We have the video for this, so simple, so that we can show you. Mayroon po video. Yan po, Silang Taxi Call video. Ito po yung apps namin. Wala pong sounds.
To Sealand Taxical, your everyday transportation app. That can get you anywhere at any time. The best taxi booking, now accessible to everyone. One tap, and a car comes directly to you. The safest and easiest way around. With our OTP feature, you can ensure you are in the right taxi. Our drivers are pure professionals, and they make sure that you'll enjoy your safe travel. It's that easy. Just pay and you're on your way. Driving with Sealand Taxical is flexible and rewarding. Try it today. Available on Google Play.
Thank you so much for the presentation.
Okay, thank you for the presentation, Mr. Cao.
Madam President, please recognize the Honorable Jonathan Blando.
The Honorable Pastor Jonathan Blando is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Chair, and thank you, Majority Floor Leader. We thank the Lord for Atilolo. Okay na. Praise the Lord. Sir, daghan kayong salamat nga na-introduce ni mo nino in the city of Jensan. Murag ang imong presentation, wala gyud kalainan sa Grab, tama ba?
Yeah, it's perfect
Okay.
medicine.
So may I know sa imong end up to this moment kasi na ginatrabaho pa ang franchising sa atong mga existing na mga tricycle. So how you connect sa ingani nga system since then nga doon na pa'y ginabuhat sa mga ruta. Up to this moment, existing na ba ito o you are just somehow presenting this for your kaning imong gihimo? Nagadaga na ba ni o up to this moment wala pa?
We just started kasi bago lang po natapos yung business permit ko, so we can start now immediately.
So, yes.
Sige po, sorry.
Just to follow up to this moment, since na-release na nimo yung business permit, wala pa yung nag-enroll for this?
Mayroon na po mga taxi. So, yung mga tricycle, wala pa po kasi we are waiting for the sanggunian, kasi I heard that they would have clustering. So, yung clustering po, mayroon po kaming, pwede po namin ma-manipulate po kung anong color, kung saan barangay lang po sila. So we can do it, na doon lang sila, hanggang doon lang sila. So, or anything na what's the law or the sanggunian will require, so we can follow.
Last na lang for the others to have their own time. Last question is, sa taxi mayroon na nagpa-enroll, tama ba?
Opo, mayroon na po.
Mga ilan sir taxi in the city of Jensan at to present na nag-enroll sa inyo?
Konti pa lang po, siguro mga 20.
20. So out of sa kinatibukan pila gyud ka taxi ang Jensan, na-count na ba ninyo?
Less than 100 lang po.
Less than 100. That's all. Maraming salamat.
Madam President, please recognize the Honorable Ojok Atcharon.
The Honorable Ujuk Atcharon, you're recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Floor Leader. Sir, good noon po. Just a query. Are you planning to give benefits to your drivers? Because ano ba ito? Is there a employer relationship
Okay po, thank
in
you po.
this case?
Thank you for the question. Actually, we are only providing the apps. Pero po, mayroon po din kaming mga letter na sarili po na mga taxi or whatever. So, we call that employment para sa kanila. So, they have all the benefits po.
So, may I allow to have a follow-up question?
Yes, Madam President, for a follow-up question, the
For your
Honorable
follow-up
Acheron.
question, Councilor Ujuk again.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Floor Leader. Sir, so meaning, merong employee-employer relationship.
Opo.
I ask this question because I have a ordinance coming up to provide benefits to all the riders within the city of General Santos. Thank you po.
Wow, that's good. Thank you.
Madam President, if I may,
Please proceed.
Yes,
Majority Floor Leader.
thank you to Mr. Peter L. Caro. I was reminded of the ANCAS, who already made a presentation here when Mr. George Royaca came for the commendation that we gave him. Well, we want to know about this taxical. Do you have a plan to really make this as a business here in the city?
Yeah, it's a business.
Okay. And do you have the target in your feasibility study? When are you going to start this?
As soon as possible po, we will start po. We start registration na po.
You are only dealing with
Taxi.
tricycles and taxi,
Opo.
and not on motorcycles,
Not on motorcycle. Not yet.
not yet. But you are also planning to
Yeah, if
kining
needed.
mga habal-habal, ana.
If needed po.
Okay.
But we're planning for the private car also. So we already have talked with the LTFRB how they can give franchise for the private car. So all those who have the private car have the opportunity to have their taxical car, like a Grab taxi.
And hopefully this could really help the city, especially one of your motives or objectives is to provide comfort and safety to passengers.
Yeah,
And
that's right.
we look forward that it can really be addressed, because that's the common problem now, especially to our students, about
Yes.
being subjected to harassments by,
Right. Right.
So, with that, Madam President, if there are no more queries from the floor, I would like to request the Honorable Trebel Can-Balyeque to wrap up. Sir,
Before I
thank
will,
you.
Thank you
okay,
so much.
before I will recognize Attorney Khan, just a reminder to the members of the council, the time is 11:45 already, and we are still on the question and hour. So I hope you can do it fast so that you can tackle other agendas for this morning. You are now recognized, Councilor Khan.
I now move for the resumption of the House rules, Madam Chair.
House
Second.
Resolution.
Second.
By way of closing, Madam Chair, I'd like to thank Mr. Peter Caro for sharing his time with us. And it is my fervent wish that at the end of the day, our fellow generals will patronize the Sealand Taxical app so that the efforts of this person, Peter Caro, in coming up with this grand innovation will be given due recognition, and that there will be beneficial effects that this will bring about to the transport industry in the city of Jensen. Thank you, Madam Chair.
We'll proceed to the next item, Madam Chair, please.
Yes.
The Secretary.
Maybe from our secretary, the next item, please. Next item. Before that, I would like to make an inquiry whether the visitor of Councilor
Madam Chair,
Kongson is around.